Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to remove the spark plugs on a 2014 Toyota Corolla. Before you start, it's very important to make sure that the engine is completely cooled down. The first step will be to remove the engine cover, so to take it off just pull up on each corner to unclip it. And here are the 4 clip points on the back of the cover. Now I'll disconnect the electrical connector on the spark plug coil. And these connectors are a little bit difficult to unclip, so I'm placing a small screwdriver under the clip here to make it easier, and I'll just hold the screwdriver and pull it up in the same time. Now I'll unscrew the bolt holding down the coil with a 10mm socket. And to remove the coil, just turn it side to side and pull it up. So here's the coil, and it looks pretty good. It's still looking almost like new. When removing the spark plug with a straight adapter, it will hit up here, and it won't be able to go in easily. So I'll be using the swivel socket adapter with a 6-inch extension, and that'll make the job much easier. So I'll just put in my flexible adapter, and I'm going to unscrew the spark plug. Once I get it loose, I can unscrew it by hand, and then gently pull the spark plug out. These OEM spark plugs are rated for 100,000 miles, and I only have 50,000 on this one, so I'll make sure the gap is within tolerance before reinstalling it. To reinstall the spark plug, put it back in gently, never drop it inside, and turn it counterclockwise one turn, and then turn it clockwise by hand as far as you can. Always make sure to handle spark plugs carefully, never install a plug that has been dropped or damaged. So now I'm going to tighten the spark plug with my torque wrench to 15 foot-pounds, and I'm using a shorter extension here, and I'll just pull up on the plastic a bit, and it fits perfectly. So I got it to about 15, and it's just about 16 foot-pounds. Now I'll put a little bit of dielectric tune-up grease on the tip of the screwdriver, and then I will spread it on the inside of the spark plug coil rubber, only at the very top, not too far down. This will make sure that the rubber doesn't stick to the plug, which could make it difficult to remove later. Now I'm putting the spark plug coil back in, and I can tighten this 10mm bolt to 7 foot-pounds. So now I can put the electrical connector back on and just snap it in, and then I can put the engine cover back on. To put the engine cover back on, align the dipstick and the engine filler cap, and then just push on each corner until it snaps in. So I got 2 corners snapped in, and now I'll get the other 2, and then just pull up a little bit on it and make sure that it's tight. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and consider subscribing to my channel.